Welcome everyone to today's session. Today we navigate the intricate labyrinth of the business world, shedding light on a much under-celebrated sector, human resources. Often invisible, they're the sculptors shaping the backbone of businesses, right from headhunting talent to retaining it. Now, isn't it curious how they're such a potent force, but still often overlooked? Let me elaborate. The professional landscape today doesn't merely thirst for advanced products or novel strategies. It continues to echo one truth: people are its most invaluable asset. And who harnesses this human capital with finesse? The knights of the corporate round table, our hard-HR teams. Just as a chef's prowess isn't apparent without his repertoire of recipes, even HR professionals need an arsenal of skills. And we know them as HR Qualifications, a tantalizing blend of formal education, certifications, soft skills, and work experience. That's one meaty spread. But guess what? It's not just about flaunting a degree in HR. It's much more. It's about conquering the battlefields of organizational strategy, mastering the art of conflict resolution, and decoding the cryptic world of legal aspects. Now, that's a lot to digest. Take a minute. Breathe it in. When we come back, we'll dive deeper into the role of an HR manager and their qualifications. Until then, remember, it's the silent movers who often bring forth the monumental change. Tune in next time.